One of the problems that constantly plagues my women law students and women lawyers that I mentor is getting trial experience. And when I say experience, I don't mean sitting second chair and taking notes. I mean opening statement, taking a witness on direct, taking a witness on cross-examination. It brings me back to the advice one of my middle school teachers gave me. I will never forget my first middle school dance. We all have been there. We have this romanticized vision of lining up against the wall and the boys are on the other side and one of them is gonna be brave and walk across the length of the gym and ask you to dance, right? And then you show up and you're standing in a huddle with your girls and the guys are on the other side and nobody's dancing. I will never forget my 6th grade teacher came over and said to us, ladies, if y'all want to dance, you're either gonna have to go over there and ask one of those boys or dance with yourselves. And that's exactly what getting trial experience is like. It's like the middle school dance. If you do not ask, you will not get it. So often, women trial lawyers end up doing the work, taking the depositions, drafting the briefs, sometimes even drafting the examination outlines, to only be seen behind counsel table, or maybe sitting at counsel table, but taking notes, conferring with counsel, but never taking a lead role. All right, ladies, what can we do to combat this? The most important thing I think we can do is leverage the work that we do on these files. So often women, I think, view our jobs as that's just our job and I'm gonna put my head down and I'm going to do the work, and then they are going to see that my work is quality and I work hard, and then I am going to be asked to take a witness. I'm going to be asked to deliver it at trial, and I'm gonna go in there and kill it. And there are women trial lawyers who have languished at law firms for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, without ever trying a case, without ever taking a witness, without ever stepping into the well and delivering an opening statement because of that mentality. We have to start looking at our work as our currency. This is the currency that you have to get the experience that you need to build the trial career that you want. The advice that I always give my students and women I mentor is this: return an ask with an ask. What do I mean by that? We've all been there, late at night, sit in our office, partner comes running in. Sara, can you review these medical records and summarize them? I've got a deposition in 2 days. Sure. Can I attend the deposition with you? That's returning an ask for an ask. Sara, can you draft this outline of the questions? Well, sure. Why don't I go ahead and just take the witness? And then they may ask you to draft an outline of the examination for trial. At that point, you just gotta ask, why don't I just file a notice of appearance and try the case with you? Return an ask for an ask. Women cannot sit around waiting to be asked to dance. You gotta walk across that gym and hold out your hand and say, let's go.